So it's long weekend here in Toronto, and the gym I'm at right now is closing in a few minutes, so I'll have to keep this quick. But today I added in a YouTube integration to the Genai AI. So if you go over to our Visual Studio Code, you'll see here that we have the API folder. So we have one for AirStack to pull in WordPress data. And then the new one we have here is for YouTube. So you'll see that we're using the YouTube channel info npm package. I have the channel ID for my YouTube channel. And then I'm going to pull in the data that I need. So it comes with more data, but all I really care about is the video title, the view count, the published text. So saying it was published 3 days ago, 5 days ago, 10 days ago. It's kind of a stringified version of the date. And then you have the duration of the video itself. Now, all of this kind of gets organized and concatenated together. And then when you go over to the AI, we're going to pull in those YouTube videos. And then down here, we'll see that we've added in this text here. It says, I'll pull in my recent videos from YouTube. And down here, we're going to have YouTube videos. And so what's nice about that is that as we go over to our daily file, our journal file, our initiatives and to-do upcoming and done file, it's going to keep track of these YouTube videos, which I think is really important for kind of getting the word out about the progress we're making on Genai AI. So that's the update for today. And we'll be back again tomorrow with actually some cool new mocks and ideas related to the latest in Genai AI.